Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Taking a quick look at XRP here. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Really appreciate you doing that for me. Just go ahead and click those buttons down below. And without further ado, we'll take a look at the charts here for XRP. You can obviously see ever since we did try and get that breakout again here, there was a massive rejection, a big rejection back down inside the resistance yet again. This bear market resistance here looking like this, up from around that to what was it, $1.90 level, another resistance to 136, and then obviously we have got the range between the 0.23 Fibonacci at around 45 cents and this resistance here at around 55 cents. We've been ranging in between those two levels for a good while now, at least a few months, probably since March. You can see here April, May, June. So 3 months really. We have been just chopping it up in a little bit of a range in between those two levels. A little deviation outside, but we came back inside here. Obviously, I took a long position up to resistance and then a short position down again here. And now looking like we are basically just bouncing between these two levels yet again. XRP here with a bit of a capitulation back down to support. We wick all the way down to around 45.6 cents there, and then get the bounce. Lots of wick rejections of that low. Coming back up, currently sitting at around 49 cents for XRP, and really looking like we're about in the middle of the range. Hard to know what's going to happen next really, but I do think heading back up at least to that previous support at around 50.6 cents. Quite likely over the next few days in my opinion. But if we do see Bitcoin roll over, obviously it's going to take the market with it, and XRP will be no exception. But Bitcoin looking quite bullish right now. I think it's still holding bullish market structure. A nice backtest and bounce of its recent level that it has been testing. So I think realistically for XRP we're probably going to see something similar. Obviously we've come down, we've backtested yet again here. And you could argue for XRP here, we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we've come up, we've tried to make that fifth wave, but we had a little bit of a back test here. And in my opinion, right now, XRP looking like really it is just stuck in this range. It really needs a big catalyst for it to be breaking out in either direction. It is basically just chopping sideways on quite low volume and interest right now. Waiting for some results from the SEC case, and also waiting for a full true bull market to start kicking in for Bitcoin over the next year or so. Right now, XRP really just getting rejected again at that 55 cent level. And realistically, you know, if it did come down and lose that 0.23 at 45, you could easily see it coming back down towards that 30 cent mark again, and just continuing to go sideways as this bear market continues, waiting basically for a breakout, a full breakout for Bitcoin, and continuation of that bullish trend that it's in, and really just a bit more goodness for XRP as a result of that. I do think with the SEC case being finalized, I think Ripple are going to get quite a favorable result from it, judging by what we've seen from how the SEC has been conducting themselves. Obviously, if that's the case, we could easily see XRP breaking to the upside as well. But right now, XRP just chilling in the middle of its range in the immediate short term, and we are waiting for more information. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content, all that good stuff. And without further ado, I will see you in the next video.